got to fly it. Dave, there's Rick Conn.
I'm gonna fly this airplane today.
Rick Conn was a guy to help out with the ladies.
I gotta fly this airplane. Chris.
No, that's not part of the show. We need a removal. And we get a removal. All right, we'll try to find a pilot to fly. Yes, the Black Baron can take you out. There he is, right there.
Yeah, all these airplanes fly a lot better than that stupid piece of German engineering over there.
No, I saw you driving that, and I don't think I can trust you.
Oh, I drive just fine. The ground, I fly better.
I don't know. My mom told me not to trust a man with a pointy hat.
I don't have a pointy hat. What are you talking about?
Do you guys think I should trust him to teach me how to fly today? Who said yes?
You. I like you. What is your name? Graham? This is the American name. I like you.
No, somebody out here has to be able to teach me how to fly.
You say these people can teach you how to fly an airplane.
I think this young man right here, can you teach me how to fly? You don't think so?
You don't think so?
All right, he said
yeah,
no.
you are
Let's
from
move
Penn
on down
State.
here.
Yeah, no, nothing good comes from Penn State.
Hi, buddy. What's his name? James. Hi, honey. Can you teach me how to fly?
You might be trouble.
I think he can teach me better than you. That's for sure.
Oh, come on.
What about this young man right here? Can you teach me how to fly? Are you married? Oh, then you can't teach me how to fly. Who thinks I'm going to learn how to fly today? Raise your hand. Oh, I got some all right, everybody. See, they know. We'll have to wait and see.
Now raise your
right.
hand. Isha. 1, 2, 3.
All right, let's get this show started here.
Gentlemen, start your engines.
Ailerons are on the top of this Travel Air 4000, built in the 20s. That's the oldest airplane on the field. John Weyrich, a Continental 7-cylinder engine, built in Muskegon, Michigan during the war. Keith Firmin, Navy-painted Stearman, also a Continental engine. Dave Conn and the checkerboard tail Stearman. Dave Brown.
Hey, Mr. Announcer, can I steal this airplane to teach Fifi to fly?
Another interruption. All right, Baron, that's enough. We're trying to do an air show here. That's Dave Conn. Continental 7-cylinder engine, 220 horsepower, 670 cubic inches. Same for this. Now this is another Lycoming engine, built in Lycoming County, Pennsylvania. 9-cylinder, 680 cubic inches. That sounds mighty sweet there, Frank. It's a brand new engine. That sounds good.
All right, no.
Barry will pitch propeller.
That's going to be fun.
And then Rick Conn, right here in the 123 Stearman, and John Potock, number 8, Waco, Weaver Aircraft Company, Troy, Ohio. These airplanes are L airplanes, liaison airplanes. The Piper Cub and the Aeronca L3. I'll talk about that in a little bit. All right, John, I'll be quiet. Pretty straightforward.
Now, is this airplane up here? I bribes the pilot, so I'm going to take this airplane now, okay? You don't need... I do not know if you can hear me, but somebody, please tell the announcer that I am taking this airplane. Need it for the show.
Come on.
If we could remove the Baron from the field, it would be outstanding. So we could watch the airplanes fly. All right, 2 flights of 4 apiece. Look at that. That's a training reenactment from World War II. That's how it looked hundreds of thousands of times a week across America as pilots learned to fly. Isn't that something? They're in living color here, but back in the 40s. About 10,000 of the Stearmans were built for training purposes, the PT-17. The Travel Air, the red airplane, was used for mail delivery in the 20s. All right, the Baron is evidently going to steal an airplane. There he goes. He's gonna go down and fall into. Well, he's not doing too well. Baron is going in circles. Tail is up.
What? No.
William, you shouldn't have got him started. We don't know what's going to happen. Better call the... Yes. Call the fire department. We trained over 1 million pilots here in America during the war. At any given time, there were 8 million servicemen and women around the world. It was a world war, World War II. Our involvement from 41 to 45, of course. I'm going to be quiet for the takeoff. 2 4-ships. All right, here we go. Make a video and please post it on social media. Here we go. That 747 has a 300 horsepower light homing. Second flight, make a video.
Here we go. Oh, wow.
What Chuck did in that radio plane was